Hello everyone. So this is a question from NEET 2026. A bulb is rated at 150 watt, converting 8% energy into light. If energy of one photon is 4.42 into 10 power minus 19 joules, how many photons are emitted by the bulb per second? Okay. So the chapters involved is structure of atom. A watt, that is, W symbol, is the rate of energy transfer at 1 joule per second. Okay, important. So it is the rate of energy transfer at 1 joule per second. So mathematically, I can write 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Okay. In our question, our bulb is rated at 150 watts. The rating of our bulb is 150 watts. So therefore, I can say that 150 joules of energy is transferred per second. 150 joules of energy is transferred per second by the bulb. Okay. And also, it is given that only 8% energy is converted into light. Okay. So therefore, 150 into 8 by 100. So that is 12 joules out of 150 joules is converted into light per second. Okay. Because it is given that only 8% energy is converted into light. So therefore, 12 joules out of 150 joules is converted into light per second, obviously. Okay, so therefore the effective power of the bulb is 12 watt. This is the effective power. Okay, and we know that power is equal to energy by time, or energy per unit time. Okay, and also energy of one photon is, so energy of one photon from Planck's quantum theory is h nu. Okay, and it is given to us in the question that it is equal to 4.42 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Okay, so let's say that there are total n photons when we are transferring 12 watt of power. Okay, so let's say that there are total n photons. Okay, so therefore energy of n photons will be equal to n into h into nu, right? So therefore I can, going back to my equation, power is energy by time, I can write our effective power is 12. So 12 will be equal to the energy due to n photons is n into h into nu. So therefore I will write n h nu divided by the time is, per second. So that's why I will write 1 second here. Okay. So therefore the photons emitted by bulb per second will be n divided by second, right? N is the total number of photons and we want the photons emitted by a bulb per second. So therefore n by second. This is what is the question asking. Okay, so n by second will be equal to 12 divided by h nu. Okay, and h nu is given to us, this is 4.42 into 10 power minus 19. So therefore I will write 12 divided by 4.42 into 10 power minus 19. Okay, and when you do this calculation you will get this as 2.71 into 10 to the power 19. Okay, so therefore the photons emitted by the bulb per second is 2.71 into 10 power minus, sorry, 10 power 19. Okay, so therefore the answer will be option A, 2.71 into 10 power 19. Okay, thank you.